Hey guys, let's now talk about the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro unboxing video, camera sample and also the benchmark score. So first and first, starting with the unboxing video. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 3 colors, but we got a 2 color unboxing video, and also regular Pixel 8. As you can see, you get inside the phone which a USB Type-C cable and OTG connector. The Pixel 8 Pro support 30W fast charging and Pixel 8 support 24W fast charging. And this is the front side of the phone, which is super slim, even bezel too. And the phone still have a optical fingerprint scanner. Alright, next up we have some camera sample from the both device Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Let's now talk about the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And as you can see, different focal length like 0.5, 1x, 2x, 5x, and here we also get some low light images here with and without night mode, and all the night picture sample are pretty good. So Google are doing a very good improvement in the camera section. And here also some camera sample of the Google Pixel 8, 0.5, 1x and 2x. At last, now talk about the benchmark score. The Tensor G3 chipset is expected to bring some special upgrade to G2. And here the Google Pixel 8 Pro benchmark score, and as you can see that the score are similar to the last year Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and this is also the Google Pixel 8 score. The Google Pixel 8 Pro offer you 20% faster performance compared to the Pixel 7 Pro. So that's pretty much for today's video. Please like and share and sub the channel for more content like this.